Hello guys, welcome to part 3 of Unitary Method. We are going to solve exercise 8b. Let's start. Fourth question. In 20 days and 20 hours, a watch gains 20 seconds. Find how much time watch will take to gain 35 seconds. So with the watch, what happens? Sometimes the speed of the watch is more than the time. It gains few seconds every day. So more the number of days, more the seconds it will gain. So it's a direct variation. Let's see this. So this is one single value, one single time. So this we can convert into hours. 2 days and 20 hours. We convert this to hours, we'll get 1 day is 24 hours, so 2 into 24 plus the extra 20 hours. So we get 48 plus 20, which is 68 hours. Okay, now we know it's direct variation. Very simple. We draw a table here. We have to find how much time the watch will take. So the time will be on the right column, gain will be on the left column. Let's write here gain, time. Very simple. Draw a table. Just copy the question. This is the time, this is the gain. So for 20 seconds gain, this is in seconds, this is in hours. For 20 seconds, the time is 68 hours, and for the gain of 35 seconds, we want to find out the time. Draw a downward arrow here always. This is our x. Since it's direct variation, same downward arrow will be here, downward here. Yes, we apply a formula directly. Head upon tail equal to head upon tail. So we get x upon 68 equal to 35 upon 20. So x will be 35 upon 20 multiplied by 68. Okay, now let's cancel. 5 4s are 5 7s are 4 17s are 68. 7 into 17 is 119. So this is hours. Let's convert this into days and hours. So we will divide 119 divided by 24, because 1 day is 24 hours. So 24 multiplied by 4, we get 96. We subtract 3, we get 23. So basically 23 is the remaining hours. So 119 hours is nothing but 4 days 23 hours. So the final answer will be, it will take 4 days and 23 hours. Question 6. The wages of 10 workers for a 6 days week are 1200 rupees. What are the 1 day wages of one worker and of 4 workers? Let's understand the question. Wages means salary. So salary of 10 workers for 6 days is 1200. For 6 days total they are earning 1200 rupees together. 6 days week means 6 days. So for 6 days, 10 workers in total are earning 1200 rupees. So let's first find for 1 day how much they are earning. So let's write here 10 workers earn in 6 days. So for the 10 workers, they earn 1200 rupees in 6 days. So in 1 day, they will earn 1200 upon 6. So 10 workers will earn, therefore 10 workers will earn 1200 upon 6, which is 200 in 1 day. Right? We'll highlight this. Now 10 workers will earn 200 rupees in 1 day. In total, they are earning 200 rupees in 1 day. Now we want 1 day wages of one worker. So first question of one worker. So for 10 workers, 1 day wages are rupees 200. Therefore, one worker, same thing, 1 day wages will be obviously 200 divided by 10, which is 20 rupees. Now, second question of 4 workers. Now, for 4 workers, if one worker is earning 20 rupees, therefore 4 workers will be 20 multiplied by 4. 20 multiplied by 4, which is 80 rupees. Right? Question 7. If 32 apples weigh 2 kg 800 gram, this is a single value, 2 kg and 800 gram. How many apples will there be in a box containing 35 kg of apple? So we have 32 apples, this is the number, this is the weight, this is the count, you can write count, this is the weight, this is also the weight, and we have to find the count. Let's first understand count and weight. With the increase in number of apples, the weight will also increase. So this is a direct variation. Now that we know it's a direct variation, we can make a table. We can first convert this into a single unit, and let's first convert them both into gram. So it's easier for us. So we can write 2 kg 800 gram is equal to 1 kg is 1000 gram. So 2 multiplied by 1000 plus 800 is equal to 2000 plus 800, which is 2800 grams. And 35 kg will be 35 multiplied by 1000, which is 35,000 gram. Okay, we got these two values now. Now, let's make the table. We want to find the count, so the count column will come on the right side. Weight, count. Simple table. What do we have? 32 apples, 2800. 2800 gram. So this is gram. And count is 32. Now, 35 kg apple, which is 35,000 gram. And this is question mark. X. Downward arrow over here. Downward arrow over here. Since it is direct variation. Now we can simply do head upon tail equal to head upon tail. So we will get x upon 32 is equal to 35,000 divided by 2800. Okay, now we take 32 over here, x equal to 35,000 upon 2800 multiplied by 32. Cancel the zeros here. We can cut by 7. 7 4s are 28. 7 5 50. 4 8s are 32. 50 into 8 is 400. This is our answer. 400 apples will be there. Question 9. A garrison of 1200 men has provisions for 15 days. Garrison means group of people of 1200 men has food for 15 days. How long will the food last if the group is increased by 600 men? Now let's see, we have 1200 men for 15 days and increased by 600 men. Increased by 600 men, so the total men would be 1200 plus 600, which is 1800 men. Right? Now, what they are saying is, there is a group of people and there is some food left which will last for 15 days for this group of 1200 people. If we increase the number of people, then the food will get over quickly, because there are more people to consume that food. So when you increase the number of people, the amount of food, the number of days, how much it will last will decrease. So more the number of men, less the number of days it will last. So it's an inverse variation. We can write it here. Men and number of days food will last. If you increase the number of men, more people are going to consume the food and it will get over quickly. So the number of days food will last will decrease. Therefore, inverse variation. Let's make the table now. We have to find how long. We have to find the number of days. So days will be on the right column. Number of days. On the left column we will have number of men. Simple table. 1200 men, 15 days. 1200 men, 15 days. Total 1800 men. How much? This will be X. We make a downward arrow over here. Since it's an inverse variation, there will be an upward arrow over here. Now, head upon tail upon head equal to head upon tail. Head upon tail equal to head upon tail. Now, let's take the 15 here. 0, 0 cancel. 3 6 are, 3 5 are, 6 2 are 12. So it is 10. So the answer is, it will last for 10 days. Last question, question 11. With the uniform speed of 27 km per hour, this is the speed. A vehicle runs for 1 hour 40 minutes. This is time. Find how much time will it take to cover the same distance with the speed of 30 km per hour. Let's understand. There are two things, speed and time. Now let's check whether it is inverse variation or direct variation. Speed, time. Now, there's a car, it is moving at a very high speed. If the speed is increased, let's say it increases its speed, then it will reach quicker. The time to reach a certain amount of distance will reduce. So it will reduce. If the speed is less, where it's going very slow, then the amount of time it will take to reach the destination will increase, will be higher. So it is an inverse variation. Now we can simply make the table. We want to find how much time. Time will be on the right column. So speed, time. Speed is 27. This 1 hour 40 minutes is 60 plus 40, so 100 minutes. This is in minutes. This is in kilometer per hour. 100 minutes. Now, the speed is 30. How much is the time? The time we write x. Same formula. Downward arrow over here. It is inverse variation, so upward arrow over here. Now, we can perform head upon tail x upon 100 equal to head upon tail 27 upon 30. Now, x upon, let's take the 100 there, x equal to 27 upon 30 multiplied by 100. We cancel the 0. 3 9s are 27. This is equal to 90. 90 minutes. Let's convert this into hours and minutes. So we get 90 divided by 1 hour is 60 minutes. We divide it by 60. 61 is 60 minus 30. 30 is the remainder. So we have 1 hour and 30 minutes. It's equal to 1 hour 30 minutes. So we can write answer. Time would be 1 hour 30 minutes. This was the end of the video. Thank you for watching.